it's me, Panda Gamer / Creepio1000, and I'm back with a sick Minecraft video after 6 years. So, I'm my friend Maya.
Hey!
Yeah.
I don't know how loud that was.
It's okay.
Hey, best friends. We're gonna slay the day and win bedwars. Because we're girl bosses and we know how to play this game.
Yeah, we definitely are gonna win. So, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a VIP. That tells you all you need to know about me.
Yeah.
Like, just so you know. So,
yeah.
You ready to get started?
I'm very ready.
All right, let's do some doubles. Yes. So, let's go about the competition because, it's fun.
My computer is very slow, and...
Okay, this person, I know you haven't loaded in yet, but Angeli, they might be our competition. They have a, orange name tag, so...
The blue
Basically, the ranked people are probably gonna beat us, but it's okay.
I haven't played this game in such a long time. Besides when we played it a couple of minutes ago and lost terribly.
and I begged you to restart.
Yeah, because it was so bad.
But guys, it's okay. It's okay. It was our practice round.
I literally jumped off the map.
Girl.
And I'm eating goldfish right now.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, before I, cover the bed completely, I'm gonna first just do wool.
And also, all of you Minecraft gods, go easy on me because I am playing on a trackpad right now. So, I need you to understand.
Yeah, I think you should tell everyone that.
Yeah, I'm on a trackpad. Please,
guys, please go easy on me.
I have a trackpad.
I'm a girl, and
What the heck?
Oh my god. It's just embarrassing.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Did you die? Lame.
No,
lame! I just
this
fell
guy.
off. That was so lame. He didn't even hit me.
Are you spectating me?
Wait, hold on. Get it, get it, get it.
Fuck. Oh my god, I cursed again!
It's okay.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Frick! Okay.
Corn dogs! Frickety frack! My jolly gee.
Oh my god!
Oh my frick, guys!
Oh my god! Stop, my dad's gonna come in here and be like, hey, what's going on?
No, you have to be like, Dad, get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft!
Dad, get out! I'm playing Minecraft! Please.
I'm playing Minecraft right now, please! Dad.
Please let me go! Leave me alone!
Get out of my room!
It's my time. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna do the thing where I...
Yeah, no, I wouldn't start with that.
Start with...
You're like, I'm actually just starting with glass, and I'm thinking just keep it as glass. So, I'm doing this sick bridging technique called squat, and then just like just kind of just like place the blocks where they come.
Oh,
You know that like crazy technique that all the good Minecraft
have you heard,
do?
y'all? Have you heard of this like crazy way to bridge over, like where you like press shift and like right click? It's like
it's
kind of
so-
underground. I don't know if you've heard about
it's
it,
kind
but
of
like
indie. I don't know if you like would know.
yeah, I don't know if you know because like you're kind of an amateur, but like you know, like real Minecrafters understand.
Yeah, like OG, like me. So
Yeah, like OGs, like
the
creepy,
Panda
yeah.
Gamer.
Panda lover.
No, Whoa, you didn't even watch my YouTube videos. What? you're a fake fan, and to think that you're on my channel right now. This is a free promo, Maya.
Wait, what was it? Panda what?
Panda Gamer. Because I'm a gamer. Duh.
I'm sorry. You also love pandas though, so
Yeah.
I think it's like
Hashtag Panda Love.
yeah, panda.
Would you?
Red.
Wait, hold on. Do you remember my Pinterest board? When you were looking at it?
When it says koala or amazing hair. Which one?
Koala one. Mine
So cute.
I technically didn't even kill that guy. He just kind of like jumped off.
When you edit this video, you need to add the picture that I took, the screenshot of a koala.
I don't
so
know
cute.
how to edit, so I don't. All I know how to do
Oh,
is cut the beginning and make it so it's not.
All you know how to is to crop videos.
Yeah.
I thought you were an OG.
I am an OG at a crappy Minecraft channel, so I need you to. I only gained like
Red is here.
40 followers.
Red is here, and oh, they're gonna die.
Yeah, they're done. Yeah, we're definitely gonna kill them. We're definitely that good.
I don't know about that, but they'll die. Okay, you stay there. I'm gonna go up.
Sorry, guys. I know you're getting like food ASMR right now. I don't know if you can hear my crunches.
Hey guys. Hey guys, it's me. Oh my, what? Oh my
They're being
God.
so lame right now. Oh! Ooh! Why did...
No! He has a stick! Oh my God, it's because we're women. It's because we're women.
I get it now.
No, literally, did you see Grey Team joined in too?
Oh wait, I killed someone! Did you see that?
Oh, that's embarrassing. I couldn't even finish my sentence. I was trying to say it's because we're women.
Yeah, it is because we're women.
I think it's also because I don't know how to type, so.
Oh wait, did you die?
No, I'm alive.
Okay, where are you? Where you
Coming
at?
down for tea.
Where you at, Shotty?
Right here.
I'm with chance to go, don't hate me. Date me.
Oh my God. Do you guys understand? This is like really hard to be friends with.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
I don't even get volunteer hours.
You don't even get a scholarship.
It's just me being nice, guys. You really need to understand the situation that I'm in.
Wait. Hello there. Howdy, y'all.
Girl, there's literally a red person.
You told me that wait, like, why was that perfect timing?
Slay. I'm glad it was. But you died, so.
Where did you go?
Oh my God, what is with everyone trying to kill me? Oh my God, I was so close. That's embarrassing. Anyway, that round didn't happen, just so you know.
No, I think
You're
that
in
was
a
our
dream right
best
now.
round.
And I know it's really hard for you to understand right now because you're still dreaming. But, like, I promise,
The video actually
not
hasn't
watching.
even started.
You haven't, you don't even watch our YouTube channel.
This is all an ad.
Yeah.
It's all an ad. Did you know that?
Yeah. Bet you didn't know that one.
Yeah, loser. Yeah. And I bet you didn't know about that sick bridge hack that I taught you in that ad in your dreams.
You're amateur.
Yeah, you're a freaking noob. You're a noob. So.
Noob.
Noob.
Slay. But noob.
No slaying, just noob.
Wait, do you hear like when I mute myself on the microphone? Do you hear like a little?
Like I hear like a. Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
It's my favorite
Yes!
noise. It's actually my favorite
I
noise.
know. It's like, well, I don't have good for you, but let me have Rodrigo in
Hey,
my
that's
head
a
right now.
really quick way to get
Oh my god, there's already someone coming over. I hate it here.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
I know. Girl, what the... Boy, what the hell, boy?
Hold on.
I literally can't do this anymore. Like, literally,
Literally.
like...
Oh wait, hold on. I can't
literally,
say
like...
that.
I can't even do this
Wait,
anymore.
okay, flashback to one of my older YouTube videos, if you're a real OG.
If you're a real one, you'd understand.
and
but
you've
I'm
been
not,
following
sorry.
my sick burner account for for the last 6 years, then you would know that I used to give you guys little concerts during PvP.
Well, I'm so sorry to break it to you, girl. I'm really sorry I had to be the one to tell you this. But no one watched our YouTube videos.
No, I used to get upwards to 5 views. So I need you to watch your mouth.
Yeah,
because...
those were your own.
No. No. Wait, girl.
Those views were literally you looking for your views.
I know, I didn't do that.
Dude, I'm really sorry I had to tell you this.
No, because
But, like,
I actually
no one
did.
watches
I
your
had a hater,
videos.
and we were in the same elementary school, so
You had a hater?
yeah. And
Yeah. Figured.
and he used to dislike my. That's right.
Who was it?
His name is Carlos. So, if you're Carlos and you went to my elementary school and you remember anything about the Panda Gamer, then
Wait, why would you get rid of the wool?
because
I'm trying to get their bed.
I just don't want to deal
Oh.
with it right now.
Never mind. Their bed was already destroyed.
Yeah.
That's embarrassing for me.
Yeah, if you were paying attention, Maja, then you would. Whoa, that was a killer PvP right there.
I know,
By
right?
my calculations.
Dude, I'm literally like,
literally like, you killed that. You killed that.
no,
Okay, sorry.
no, literally like.
Every time you say that, I'm thinking of My Life as Ava. I actually bought her song on.
You bought it. You know what song I bought? I bought "Call Me Maybe" by the Cimarelli and Maddie B.
You. Wait.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Everyone knows what I'm talking about.
I actually bought like a lot of Panic at the Disco music at the ripe age of 12. So.
That kind of sounds like trauma. Sorry.
Actually, one time, literally in 4th grade, I think it was 4th grade, yeah, my mom picked me up in the, like, driver's loop at the elementary school we went to, blasting
The elementary school we went.
blasting I Write Sins, Not Tragedies.
No.
Yes. Oh, the pink
Oh
is
my
here.
god.
I was
Okay.